Today we will demonstrate how to install the Prestan Professional Adult Series 2000 add-on kit. Please note that the add-on kit should only be used with Prestan Professional adult or jaw thrust mannequins manufactured in 2018 or after. Start by removing the screw which secures the rate monitor. Next, turn the mannequin over and remove the wire cover and loosen the clicker assembly. You can now remove the rate monitor and clicker assembly. Also remove the spring. None of these pieces are needed with the new add-on kit. To install the new Series 2000 add-on kit, first insert the new piston plug. Be sure to orient the plug so that the flat side is facing up. Press the plug firmly down until it stops and is fully seated. Use a screwdriver if needed. It is critical that the plug is fully inserted for the mannequin to work properly. Next, insert the add-on kit, being sure to snap in the centerpiece. Replace the wire cover. Turn the mannequin over with the ventilation cable loose. Replace the rate monitor screw. The add-on kit is now securely assembled. When closing the mannequin skin, be sure the ventilation cable is placed under the skin. The ventilation cable will be needed when installing the lung bag. Your add-on kit is now fully installed. Don't forget to download the Prestan CPR Feedback app on your smart device in order to connect the mannequin via Bluetooth. For more information, visit PrestonProducts.com or contact your Prestan authorized distributor.